Problem 16, we're looking at values of a, which a would be our leading coefficient. Looking for values of a that are going to give us real solutions. So, if I look at a just general graph, so I have a general graph of a parabola. Whether it opens up or down doesn't necessarily matter. But the location of this, right now I have two solutions. If it'd be somewhere like this, I would have one solution. But anytime it is above the x-axis, I have no solutions, no real solutions. So we want to figure out when it either has one solution or two solutions. To figure this out, we're going to take a look at the quadratic formula. So looking at the quadratic formula, what determines whether or not we have real solutions or not is the value underneath the radical, your b squared minus 4ac. If that ends up equaling 0, then your parabola is going to end up having possibly two solutions, possibly one solution. If the value there, b squared minus 4ac, is less than 0, so it's a negative number, you have a negative underneath your radical, and that's when it's going to be somewhere up here, or flipped around upside down, and then down here. And you will not have any real solutions. So we want to look at when we actually have values. So we need to take a look when our b squared minus 4ac is going to be greater than or equal to 0. I've substituted in my b and c values, and we are solving for a. So 5 squared is going to end up being 25 minus 24a greater than or equal to 0. I'm going to take this part right here and just move it to the other side. So I'm going to add 24a to both sides, and that gives me 25 is greater than or equal to 24a. Now solving for a, divide by 24. That reduces down to 1, and I end up getting the answer of a. And now please be aware of which direction the sign is looking. Right now the sign is opening up to the left. The pointy side of the sign, the less than side of the sign, is facing the a. So a is less than or equal to 25/24. So anytime we look at our original equation, and if our a value is less than or equal to 25/24, we will have real solutions.